小朋友们好，今天是2020年4月21日，星期二，我们来上一节英文课。好，那英文课我们肯定是说英文，对不对？所以我们1、2、3说英文。Okay, so let's read our learning goal for today first together. Okay, I can make my own compound words. Very nice. So, what is a compound word? So, this is something brand new we're learning about today. So, first, let's watch a video together to learn about compound words.
What is a compound word? More importantly, how can understanding compound words make me a better reader? Let's get started. A compound word is a combination of two or more words that function as a single unit of meaning. Huh? What? Let me show you. Take the word mailbox, for example. It's a compound word made up of two nouns put together, mail and box. The two words go together to form a new word with a different meaning, mailbox. But unlike a contraction, none of the letters are left out and replaced by an apostrophe. The compound word mailbox contains all the letters from the word mail and all the letters from the word box. So a compound word is like two words glued together. Yes, two nouns. Well, compound words can be made up of two nouns, but they can also contain words from other parts of speech as well. Many compound words are made up of combined nouns. For example, star and fish make the compound word starfish, and cup and cake make the compound word cupcake. But compound words can be made up of combinations of other parts of speech. The verb play can be combined with the noun ground to form the compound word playground. And the adjective hot can be combined with the noun dog to make the compound word hot dog. Oh, okay. The important thing about compound words is that once the two words are glued together, their combination creates a whole new meaning. Take hot dog, for example. Something that is hot can be spicy or quite warm in temperature. And a dog is an animal that we prize and love as a pet. But putting the two words together makes a food we eat. This could be quite confusing for people learning to speak English. I love hot dogs, but I never thought about that. The other important thing about compound words is to recognize them when you read. The butterfly flew to the sunflower. Since two words are glued together, compound words appear longer than many other words. Don't let compound words intimidate or scare you when you are reading. Look for the smaller words inside the big word to make reading easier. Like butter and fly, or sun and flower. Exactly. Let's read a short story together and look for compound words. We're ready. Let's do it. We'll read each word, and if we see a big word, we won't get scared. It may be a compound word. Right, we can look for the smaller words inside. I want to read. Okay. My family took a trip to the beach. We saw a... Uh-oh. Okay, don't get scared. Let's look for smaller words within the big word. Do you see any smaller words inside this big word? I see the word life and the word guard. Very good. Lifeguard is a compound word made up of the words life and guard. A lifeguard is someone who keeps swimmers safe at the beach. May I read next? I want a turn. Of course. We made a big, Okay, don't get scared. Let's look for smaller words within the big word. Do you see any smaller words inside this big word? I see the word sand and the word castle. Very good. Sandcastle is a compound word made up of the words sand and castle. People make sandcastles at the beach. My turn. Okay. In the water, we saw a... Uh-oh. Okay, don't get scared. Let's look for smaller words within the big word. Do you see any smaller words inside this big word? I see jelly, and I see fish. Excellent! Jellyfish is a compound word made from the words jelly and fish. A jellyfish is an unusual type of ocean animal people can see at the beach. Hooray! You've earned a trophy for learning about compound words.
Alrighty. So now we've learned about compound words from the video. Let's do a little bit of practice to recap what we learned about compound words. Okay? So in the video, we learned that compound words is a word that has that are combined or put together by two words. So like this one, mailbox, for example, is a compound word, and it's combined, put together with the word mail and the word box. And another example is, for example, here. So play and ground can make up the word playground. And the word hot and the word dog can create the word hot dog. So once the two words are put together, the new word, sometimes the meaning of the new word can be guessed based on what the old words are. So for example, playground, the two words together, playground is a place that you play. But hot dog, when it's together, it means totally different thing than hot as a word or a dog as a word, right? So let's do some practice. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. So here I have 4 pictures. Each picture represents a compound word, and you can make the compound word from those words here. And each word needs a red part and a blue part. Can we try this together? For example, the first one is a sand castle, right? So I can put sand, sand and castle. Nice. What is this one? You know? It is a bathtub. Good job. So bath and tub. What about this one? You are right. It is a tree house. Tree house. What about the last one? You are right again. It is a fireman. All right, that is our lesson for compound words today. Now I'm going to teach you how to do the seesaw activity step by step, so listen up. All right, to do the seesaw activity, first you are going to click Add Response. This is your homework for today, okay? And you're going to choose your own name. I'm going to choose Sample Student. Okay, and then you will see this template. Everyone will have the same thing. What you're going to do is you're going to click the little T right here. You see that? Okay, click that. And then you're gonna think of compound words that we learned in the video, or we learned right here with this practice with Chen Lao Shi. Okay, and then you are going to use this T button to type in the words. So for example, there's a word right here that says pancake. I think you can see that if I move this. Maybe. Yep. So pancakes. So you will type pan, and you can click this little thingy right here to move it big or small. So pan cakes. Okay. And together it makes the word pancakes. Oops. Get smaller. Okay, for example, there's another word right here that says bathtub. So you can do that too. So bath and tub. And together they make the word bath. Okay. and you will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different words like that. And you can add drawings or emojis next to those things if you would like, and to make this more fun. And after, if you need more idea with compound words, you can always go back to the video where there's more words, and Chen Lao should also give you more words in the video right here. Okay, all right, when you are finished, this is not finished because you need 4 more words, right? So when you're finished, you are going to click the little microphone button. So you're not done yet, okay? So once you're finished with all the words, you're gonna click the little microphone button to make up a sentence. Record yourself making a sentence with one of those words. So for example, Chen Lao is going to make a sentence with the word cupcake. So I'm gonna click the microphone button. Okay. All right, now it's recording. Hello, I'm going to make a sentence with the word cupcakes. My favorite dessert is cupcakes. So yep, now I'm done. And then I'm gonna click the little button right here. And so now I'm paused, you can see, and then you're gonna click the done button. And now it's recorded. You can hear it here, I think. Right, now it's recording. Hello, I'm going to make a sentence with the word cupcakes. My favorite dessert is cupcakes. So yeah, now I'm done. And then I'm gonna click the little button right here. Yep, so see, you can hear what you just recorded, right? And then when you're done with both the recording and the words, you're gonna click the little green button again. And you're done with the homework for today for English. So yep, that is our English lesson for today. Make sure you watch the video and then do the seesaw activity. All right, let me know if you have more questions. Bye.